Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 11, has, have, had, from the book Grammar 1. We use has with a noun that is one in number. तो जो has word है हम उन noun के साथ यूज करते हैं जो कि एक ही होती है numbers में. Okay? We use have with nouns that are more than one in number. जो have होता है उनको वहां यूज करते हैं ऐसी नाउन्स के साथ बेसिकली जो मोर देन वन होती है. वी ऑलवेज यूज हैव विद आई के साथ हमेशा हम हैव ही यूज करते हैं. दिस इज द रूल. ओके. वी यूज हैव विद यू फॉर नाउन्स दैट आर वन एज वेल एज मोर देन वन. हैव हम यू के साथ भी यूज करते हैं चाहे उसमें नाउन जो है हमारा वन हो या मोर देन वन. ओके. नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट वन, Sambit has a bicycle. So Sambit has a bicycle. We have used has for a bicycle. Bicycle is only single thing. Okay. Then we have second one, Manav has a dictionary. मानव के पास एक डिक्शनरी है. So again a dictionary. So we have used has. If we refer to a single object or a thing, we use has. Then we have third example, Rohit has a pen. Again a pen. That's why we have used has. Then fourth, Preeti has a doll. Then again a doll means a single doll. So we have used has. Then fifth, a monkey has a long tail. So a long tail. That's why we are using has. Now read the following sentences. We have some sentences. We'll read it. 1. I have a dog. So a dog, but we have I. I already told you that we used have with I. Okay. Then second, they have kites. We have kites word. That's why we have used have. Okay. Then third, you have a new bike. So we refer to this one. There is you word. So for you, we use always have. We don't see this thing. Means the backward part, backward. We don't see this. Whether it is singular or whether it is plural. We'll always put have with you. Then fourth, they have an amazing plan. Now, an amazing plan means we are talking about a single thing. But here we have they. So that's why we have used have. Fifth, Shivani and Priyanka have flowers in their hands. So we have Shivani and Priyanka means two person. So we have used have. Then we have tips to remember has and have show belonging. तो जो has और have होते हैं वो हम कोई belonging शो करने के लिए कि ये हमारी चीज है उस चीज के लिए हम यूज करते हैं ये दोनों वर्ड्स. Then we have B, fill in the blanks with has or have. First, Rahim dash a pencil. So Rahim is a single person, so we use has. Then second, Sana dash an orange. Now Sana again a single person, one thing, so we use has. Third, David dash a bike. So again a single person, so we use has. Then fourth, they dash a big house. Now we have the word they, which refers to more than one people, so we'll use have. Then fifth, I dash many toys. Now we have I. We use have with I. Okay. Then we have sixth, Anne dash a new bag. Now Anne is a single person, so we'll use has. Seventh, the elephant dash a short tail. Now we have the word elephant. Elephant is a single animal, one animal. So we'll use has. Now eighth, we dash many friends. We. We means more than one people, so we use have. Now we have ninth, Andy dash a car. Andy is a single person, so we'll use has. 10th, the giraffe dash a long neck. So the giraffe is a single animal, one animal, so we'll use has. Then C, when we speak about things that have already happened, we use had in place of have or has. अगर कोई चीज पहले से हो रखी है मतलब पास्ट में, तो हम has या have की जगह had यूज करते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have a ball today. तो यहाँ पर है I have a ball, मतलब मेरे पास अभी बॉल है. ओके, I had a ball means yesterday slash already happened. I had a ball, मेरे पास बॉल थी. इस वाले सेंटेंस में हम आज की बात कर रहे हैं, बट जो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है उसमें हम कल की बात कर रहे हैं, जो बीत गया है, जो ऑलरेडी हैपन हो चुका है. ओके, देन सिस्टर हैज अ मोबाइल टुडे. जो सिस्टर है उसके पास मोबाइल है, मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टुडे, आज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सिस्टर हैड अ मोबाइल येस्टरडे स्लैश ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. सिस्टर के पास मोबाइल था, मीन्स जो बीत चुका है टाइम. ओके, सो वी यूज हैड देयर. देन रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट, ही हैड अ बर्थडे पार्टी येस्टरडे. उसकी बर्थडे पार्टी कल थी, सो वी हैव यूज्ड हैड. सेकेंड, आई हैड अ मीटिंग येस्टरडे. मेरी कल एक मीटिंग थी, सो वी हैव यूज्ड हैड. थर्ड, शी हैड अ पेट बर्ड. उसके पास एक पेट बर्ड थी. ओके, देन फोर्थ, you had a fever last week. पिछले हफ्ते तुम्हें फीवर था, so we have used had. Fifth, they had a small flat last year. उनके पास एक small flat था last year. So whether the noun or pronoun is singular or plural, we used always the word had for the things that already happened. Okay? D, fill in the blanks with had. First, we dash a lot of fun yesterday. So, we'll write had. Then second, Nupur and Sumit dash new bags last year. Nupur and Sumit के पास new bags थे last year. So we'll write again had. Then third, Rohit dash a new video game yesterday. So we'll write again had. Then fourth, the child dash many toys last month. Child के पास काफी सारे toys थे last month में. Again we'll write had. Then fifth, they dash a fight yesterday. उनकी कल fight हुई थी. So again we'll write had. Then we have sixth, my uncle dash a black coat yesterday. So we'll write had. Seventh, he dash 50 cars. उनके पास 50 cars थी. So what we'll write? Had. Then 8, she dash a dozen of shoes last year. So we'll write had. Then 9, the ship dashed 3 desks. So again we'll write had. Then 10th, we dash a good time then. Again we'll write had. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.